babe. This is my place. Welcome.
Wow.
Get out today, oh my beautiful angel. Welcome.
Thank you, baby.
Let me take care of you. Hey. Welcome.
This is too much for me.
Welcome. Take care of yourself. Don't promise like you go call. Until you come plenty pass, you no go call.
Just finally
I know. Yes, yeah.
I love.
See, sweetie, love. Drink. Come on, see here, very soft like today bread. So happy to have you here, like
Same here, I love.
Oh, come in. That should be my sister.
Brother, good afternoon.
Right, how are you now?
Fine.
Yeah, this is my girlfriend. The one I told you about.
Your girlfriend.
Yes. Guys,
baby.
this is my sister.
Your girlfriend.
Yeah. This is my sister. This is my girlfriend. Yeah. This girl I told you about. I love her. Thank God you are.
What's wrong with your sister?
No. She's our last born, and sometimes she can be crazy. You understand? There's no problem.
Fine.
Don't let that disturb you, okay? I'm here for you.
Fine.
My baby girl. Shake for me like this. You see? I love you, Jolly. Like you're too sweet for my heart. Why? My brother is shaking. He's shaking. Look at my heart. You do boom boom because I want to chop boo. Okay, see here. Let's.
So you don't fall.
Yes. Come here. Come like this. Then when you wait for me like this. Oh, man, this is my best ever. It's too hard. Maybe I will carry you. Hey, my sinner. One day, I don't feel like say I want to. We don't have to push over. I don't know. It's sweet. Oh, you are enjoying it, baby. My sweet love. Oh, sis, what's the problem? Come for what now? Can't you not see that I have a guest? Let's go here. Wait.
That girl now ghost. Tell your girlfriend now ghost now. Don't talk like that. Can't you see her now ghost? I don't say your eye make you say anything. That girl now ghost.
I like that girl.
That girl now ghost. You won't say you never do anything with her. That girl now ghost.
I want to do something now.
You know they hear anything now. That girl now ghost. Mama don't die. Mama don't die. Now only me and you dey. Now you dey for me. I dey for you. That girl now ghost. Leave am. You dey now ghost.
No, be too. See somebody.
You hear me? I be no hear that girl now ghost. I don't tell you that girl now ghost. Leave am. It dey now ghost. I dey tell you now.
You disturb
You know they see anything. That girl now ghost. She don't blind you.
Are you okay?
Why your face like this?
Why my face look like this?
What happened?
What's wrong with this?
Oh, my sister, I tell you, she's the last born. That's how they behave.
Are you at Laba?
No, nah. It's not gonna forget.
Laba, sketchy.
Smile for me.
You are whining me too
Smile
much.
for me now. Let's go. No time to waste. You are here already. I'm coming.
Are you at Ibaje?
No.
Come back here. She be ghost. I don't think she doesn't know. What happen to you? Come back.